This is our Christmas store celebration. Every year we partner with the Foundry Church. We accept monetary donations that come from the campus community, but elsewhere as well. And then we set up our Christmas store and allow our neighbors to shop at a significant discounted rate.
I've been coming for years now. I came today to shop because my daughter had a baby and this is first Christmas, so I didn't want to miss it. So I made sure I came here to shop for him. Some parents can't afford to go out and get a lot of stuff that y'all offering that will be more if you go to the store. So I love it.
This is our 10th year partnering with UMB to do this event, and we are so excited to be here. The Christmas store started because we looked at giving models that existed. We said, how do we include parents in that process and help parents find the dignity and joy of being able to pick out and pay for gifts for their kids, but at a price point that they can actually afford? How do we help parents be the heroes of their Christmas?